Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another video for you dolls. I've done a brown and black cut crease. I hope you guys love this look. If you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching. I also added a couple of new products to my makeup line. So I added a new foundation, a new concealer. So yeah guys, check this video out to see all the bits. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe dolls, and I will catch you in my next video. I am so excited to do this video because I have actually re-upped on the items that I've been running so low on, but because it's been quarantine I haven't been going anywhere, so I was just using little by little, hoping it would last. But I finally went to Boots and I've re-upped, and I also purchased some new items. So I have a new foundation and a new concealer, so I'm so excited to try it out in this video. So I'm going to do a run through of all the stuff that I purchased and also of the items that I'm going to be using in this video. So first up is my Precisely Brow Pencil from Benefit. You guys know that I was raving about this item when I purchased it, and once it ran out I just went back over to my Anastasia Beverly Hills pot because it was quarantine and it was just long going out to get one or buying it online, so I just used what I had. But when I went out I actually saw it, so I picked it up. This is in color 5, which is the black and brown. Yeah, it's warm black and brown, so we're going to be using that today. It's going to be quite interesting when I use it because you guys know that I've been doing another method with my eyebrows. So I've been using my Helen fixing gel, putting it on my brows, then I would go over it with my pomade, and I've been loving what I've been getting from my brows when I do that. But I think what I want to do is do it the other way around, so fill in my brows, then put the fixing gel on top. So we'll see how that works. So I also picked up this long-lasting gel liner, and the reason I got this gel liner was not to do liquid eyeliners with it. I wanted to use it as my smoky base when I'm doing my eyeshadows. So that's why I purchased this. It comes with a tiny little stick for application, and it is really black. I'm going to show you guys. So it's really black guys, so I'm just going to run it on my hand, and you can see it's really dark. So we'll pop that to the side for later. If you guys watch my channel, you know I've been raving about getting this Plouise base in color 0. It's the all white one. It's going to be great for when I'm doing my cut creases and, you know, just as a base for bright colors. This is probably going to get used in this tutorial as well. I also got this pressed powder. I've been hearing good things about the Fit Me line from Maybelline. So I got the pressed powder in color 220 natural beige. So I'm just going to use that after I apply my foundation and just, you know, just to plot it all in. I also got the Fenty Beauty foundation. Now if you know me, you know I love Rihanna. She is a fellow island girl and I just love her. I love what she stands for. So this is the second formula that they made. I picked up this foundation. Now who knows what this is going to look like on my actual face, because obviously because of quarantine they don't put out samples anymore. You're not allowed to touch the things on the shelf, so I had to wing it, and I got this color. This shade is 235, and I hope that it works with my skin. If not, I'm gonna have to just mix, but hopefully it works good, and I'm really excited to try it out. And then I just replaced my liquid liner. It's just amazing. Okay, so this is what I always use and I had to replace it, so I'm glad I got to do that. I also replaced the contour color that I use from NYX. It's the NYX HD concealer in Cocoa. So I replaced it because the other one had run out, and I love this concealer. I love the color. I think it blends perfectly with my skin. And I've also been hearing good things about the Infallible, the L'Oreal Infallible concealers. They've got a nice thick one, like it's just really nice. So I got this color as well. I just guessed, as I said, there's no samples, so guys, we're just gonna all find out at the same time if it even matches or if it's gonna work. And this is Cashmere, so we gonna try it. And then the next thing I got was a sleek intense waterline liner. I love Sleek Cosmetics. I've been using them forever. I think it's really reasonable, and I think their items are actually quite good. I used to have their gel liner and that one's ran out, so I went and purchased this one, and when I tell you this liner is black, yeah, I love it. So I can even use that for my smoky bases as well, but I didn't know it was going to be so black, as I said, you can't test anything out. So I got that one as well. And I've got a couple of lip glosses from NYX as well. I won't show you those, but it's just a couple of lip glosses from there. And I got my duo glue. I've been waiting for this on Amazon for ages. So we're gonna try this glue out as well. I love the one technique to add my lashes. I just think it works out so good. It's just easier, it's just an easy application. We're going to try that out today. And voila guys, that's it. So we are going to start with my eyes. I'm going to do eyes and then face in this look, guys. So I'm gonna add some sticky tape. Okay, so if I did my sticky tape, I'm gonna start on my brows. So I'm going to use my Precisely Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I'm gonna start filling in my brows. And I'm just doing hair strokes. Okay guys, so eyebrows are basically done. So I filled in my brows first and then I added the fixing gel on top. So we'll see how this little method works out for me. So now I'm actually going to prime my lids, and I'm going to use my oldie but goodie, which is the original Plouise base that I always use in Rumour 03. So I'm going to apply that. Okay dolls, so my lids are primed, and what I'm going to do now is just go straight into my makeup look. So I'm going to start off using the gel eyeliner pot from Collections, and I'm going to do like a wing. I'm going to go into Stamina from the Morphe 3503 palette. I'm just going to add this brown. Okay, so I've just connected to the end of my black wing, and I'm just dragging it over like so. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm gonna start blending this over, and then I'm just gonna go back into the black liner, and I'm just gonna start blending that as well. So I'm gonna go into a lighter brown. We're gonna try Disrupt and see if that's light enough for what we need. Yeah, this is quite light. I always work from one eye to the other. I don't really do the one eye and then do the whole other eye after. I have done it before, but I think I prefer to just work in tandem like this. So one eye to the X. So I just avoid like missing out a color or anything like that. That doesn't happen if you work in tandem. And I'm just gonna blend that. Okay, so I just added a bit more of that black gel liner to the outer corner of this wing, because I'm gonna blend it all over with that brown. Gonna go back into Stamina and Disrupt and blend it with the black, because I want that gradient shade and a nice smoky brown look. I'm gonna get me a blending brush. Just added a little bit of Disrupt, which is that lightest brown. And I'm just adding that closest to my brow line, so right under my brow, I should say. Okay, so I've basically got the base done. What I'm going to do now is I am going to cut my crease, and I'm going to just cut it in this area here. And I'm going to be using my new Plouise base in 0. So gas to do it. yes, I had a desired effect that I've been waiting on with this color. I'm so glad that I actually bought this. Now all I'm gonna do is literally just put some cream color on top of this and a little bit of glitter, and the look is done. So I'm gonna get my 24A Artist Pass palette, and there's some really pretty glitter shades in here. Maybe that one, or even this one. And I'm literally gonna just add that on top. I think I'm gonna use All Access first, and then I add some extra glitters because it's quite nice and glittery, but it's also a shade, if that makes sense. So it's not just glitters, it's an eyeshadow, but it's glittery. So I'm gonna add the gel liner that I used in the beginning. So I'm just gonna go back over my liner right on top of my lid, just to make sure that's nice and dark. Gonna go into Private Oasis, which is in the 24A Artist Pass palette. It's quite glittery, so I'm gonna add that on top to see if it makes a difference. Oh, yes it does. This color is probably best to add on with your finger, but my makeup's already did on my eyes, so I don't want to add my finger in. I'm just gonna use a small brush and just hopefully it transfers and looks like how it looks in the palette. It's that pressed glitter. It's quite hard to manage. Are you guys feeling that? Can you see the blue and purpley? Yes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my lashes, and that will be done for the eyes, and I'm gonna move straight onto the face. These lashes are for the girls. You know what I mean by that. You need to be ready and prepared to not be able to see clearly. Okay? Because they're so thick. You gotta be a pro to wear these ones, okay? So lashes are done. What I'm gonna do now is remove my sticky tape. And I'm gonna also remove it from this side as well. Okay, so we're gonna get back to the under eye soon, but I'm gonna go work on the face now. And then once I finish my face, I will go back and fill in my under liner. Okay, I'm also gonna add some Illuminator. So I'm gonna pop some of the foundation onto the palette. What's the color? It's a little bit light, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see. Get my Real Techniques 205 brush, and that's what I use to apply my foundation. Look, it matches my neck perfectly. My face is a little bit darker. I literally only put a tiny, you see that tiny bit I showed you, there's still more left. Grab my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend that in. I think it might work out, guys. So foundation is on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go straight in with my concealer. I normally use 2 concealers, but I'm gonna just try the one today. I'm gonna try this concealer that I got from L'Oreal. As you can see, it is quite light. Okay, so I'm gonna add my concealer from NYX. I'm gonna go ahead and add some setting powder over the concealer and contour that I've just done. So I'm also gonna go in my Sacha Buttercup just to bring some warmth. I'm gonna go in my Hoola bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to do my lash line, my bottom lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my gel liner from Sleek. I'm going to go on the outskirts of the waterline because I might add some nude or something in here. And I'm just adding it on the outskirts. Okay. I'm going to go in with Stamina, which is that brown that I used after adding the black. And And I'm also going to go in with Disrupt, which is that lightest brown. So I'm going to use the Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and I'm going to just put that all over my face. I'm going to go to my Makeup Revolution London Highlight Palette. So I'm just going to put on my dark brown lip liner from the drugstore. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Myth from MAC, which is a really nice pinky nude. And I love this contrast with the brown liner. I don't know, it just gives me like 90s feel, and I appreciate that. Then I'm gonna go in my lip gloss from NYX, and I love these lingerie lip glosses. I just love them. And this one is the Lace Detail, and I'm just gonna add that on top. And it's a wrap. You guys know the drillio. I will be back shortly with my hair out, and I will present this look to you with everything done and on. So today I have just done a nice brown black smoky beat with a cut crease. I also did a couple of new products in this video. Foundation is different, concealer was different, and I just added a couple of new bits. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, dolls, and you can hit the notification bell as well. I won't be mad at that. And I will catch you in my next video.